Good morning, student. So again, we are going to discuss about the list. So first of all, we'll solve yesterday's last question. That was homework. Let's see what is the question. So this was the question. We are going to solve this question first. So first of all, let me know if any question is there or doubt is there regarding last day topic, yesterday's topic. After that, we are going to solve this particular question. So here was the question. Good morning. Good morning. Here was the question that create two series object where object one stores the details of population in four metro cities and object two will store the average income of the city reported last year. Then we have to find the average income per capita income. Also, we have to store the average income basically. So this was the question. So let's solve it first. After that, we'll go for. So we'll solve in the Python window only. So at first, we'll have to import pandas as pt. Pandas as pt. So we are importing pandas. Now, as in the question, it has been said that we have to store the population. So I'm just taking population, one particular series object. Population is equal to pt dot series in pt dot series to population. I'm just storing of this port city. For example, first city I'm taking this much. How much? 10 lakh 25,000. This one, okay. Second city I'm taking 11,2,578. This one. Next city I'm taking here 15,4,027. This one. And third city I'm taking 14,2,2,057. Now it is okay. 14 lakh, 14 lakh 22. So these are the two four different city and their population. So here I have stored all this city. Now after that also we have to store the index. So here I want to use the index name as our city name. So as our city name, which are our city name, that is also given. So for example, let me take first city as Kolkata, second city as, okay, let me take this line into the next line. So if I want to change the line, I can proceed with backslash. So okay, just a minute, here it is not working. So let me do in the script mode only, it will be perfect. Program import pandas as pd. First line, second line I'm just writing again, just let me copy it once. Population, this one. I'm just copying the line. There I want to change the line, so I can use this slash. By using this statement, what will happen that I can write into the next line, but it will be treated in the same line. So these are the general syntax. Kolkata, then I'm taking Chennai, Chennai, then I'm taking, for example, Delhi, and then I'm taking Mumbai. This four city name I'm taking as index. So these are my index and these are my city. So this is done. This is we have stored the population. per city, population per city. Now next we have to store the average income. So ABGINC I'm just taking, or income I'm taking. For that also I will take another series, PD dot series. Within PD dot series, again I will store the average income of each city. So here I'm just storing uh, this much. Let me make it quite more larger. So it will this one, this one, and this one. So these are the city and their average income, and in the same way, then I will use front slash and I will use the same index. So what will happen for the both the two index, both the cases index will be same. Both the cases index will be same, and we can do any type of series operation. So these are my two series. These are my two series. Now next what we'll do, we'll have to find the per capita income. So here I am taking per capita, one variable. So as you know, we can do any type of operation. Good morning everybody. Per capita income means population, average income divided by population. So here already we have the average income and population, both are series type and both have index, same index, so we can do any operation. So I'm just writing here average income divided by population, average income divided by population. So what will happen, per capita income will begin. I'm just printing, we have to just print with proper message. So here I'm printing population in metro city, population in metro cities, population in metro cities, this one heading. Then I have to print the population series, and then I will print the average income of the city or metro city, average income in metro cities. So here also I will display the another series that we have already created, AVG income. AVG income is my second series, and finally we have to display the per capita income. So these are my two cities. After that, we will just simply display one type of separator line as we wish. You can do. So here, this type of one separator line I'm just drawing, and then I want to display print per capita income. Per capita income in four metro cities. Four metro cities. So this is my message. So and finally display the per capita income. So what is this variable per capita? Per capita. So this is my complete program. So just have to save it. So just is one. I'm just taking the name. And then set. Now we have to run it. Few mistakes are coming. Okay. Just a second. Index is okay. Okay, sorry. Here we have to use one comma. That's why this error is coming. Step. Let me rerun. Here. One spelling mistake is there. Somewhere some spelling mistake is there. Population. Okay, fine. Here also population. So let me see the error. What is the error is coming? I am running the program. Here we can see. So first of all, population in 4 metro city. This has come. This has came. These are all practical based programs, so must very much important. Situate properly. These are population of 4 metro city. Then average income of those 4 metro city. So after that, it has came the per capita income, and how per capita income is calculated. The average income divided by population of the city. So in this way, per capita income is calculated. So this is the thing. So just I'm copying the things, and output also I will copy so that I can send it to you. The output. This is the output of this one. So this is the thing. So this part, up to this part we have done. Now we'll proceed further. So what will be our today topic? This was the last day program. One program was left. So now we'll go to the next topic. Now second, today's topic will be the filtering entries. Filtering entries in series. We can say in series. Filtering entries in series. Now what is the meaning of these things? What does it mean? Whenever we are applying on we are working on a series. So already we have seen that inside a series we can use different type of relational operator. Just like in a series, suppose it contains different types of value. For an example, if a series contains value from 1 to 100, so in that case, if I want to display only those, if I write here, for example, a series, I'm just writing one series, import pandas as PD, everything I'm writing, pandas as PD. After that, do it here. So it will be so. Suppose if we do like this, pandas as PD, pandas as PD. After that, if we create a simple series, s equals to pd dot series, s equal to pd dot series, and within this, if we pass few value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 7, let it be 8, 9, 10. These are my series, and by default, we know some index will come as well as these values are there. Now, if we apply few just like relational operators, for example, if we write here s greater than 5, so what will happen, it will be checked by each and every value. Those values, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all value are less than 5, so for that case it has come false, and for rest value which are greater than 5, it has come true. So this is my one type of just like applying a vector operation on the series. Now quite related to this only, yeah, filtering series. If we want to do filter, that means I want to display only those values which are greater than 5, which are greater than 5. So how we can do that? That means for the above series, I want to do filtering those value which are greater than 5. This part I want to display. So how we can write it? So I will beforehand I was writing only s greater than 5. Now I am writing s within box bracket. Again I will write here s greater than, sorry, I'm clicking capital S within box bracket. I will give s greater than 5. This is called the filtering feature. Means within a series, if we want to filter only those part that is based on our condition, so then I can use this methodology. That means earlier we have used only this part, so that time it was checking and displaying the result in the boolean version or bool version. That means whether the condition is true or false. But now if we want to display in this way, that only those particular value which are uh, matching with our criteria condition, I want to display only those values. In that case, I can use this filtering feature. So let me take one more things. I'm just writing one age series which will store age of few students, which will age of few students. For example, I'm writing age of few students in this way: 10, 12, 17, 14, 21, 32. These are the ages, and now I'm taking few index. So inside the index, I'm writing here, for example, Arun, Arun, comma, Sandeep, comma, Suman, comma, Anuj, Anuj. So how many? Six are there. So we have to use six. Anuj, and next I'm taking Manoj. So here it is changing the line. Just a second. Check whether it will work or not. No, it is not working. Just a second. I have to take in a different way. I have to write the complete line in single line because we are working on the idle mode. So Anuj, then Manoj, then Rahul, for example. Rahul. Okay, so these six names I also have taken with the six edges. So these are my index, and now I'm closing my series. Now if we display the series, it will look like this. Now I want to, no, in this case, index doesn't matter. Doesn't matter means whenever we are checking the value, that means it will check the value with the data. So in that case, index doesn't mean really. Okay, so this is the thing. This is my age. Now I want to display only those person age who are more than 18. So in that case, what I will write? Simply I can write in this way: age, within age. So just tell me. Let me see who are attentive. You just tell the answer. Just write the comment. I need the answer from each and everybody. Those who are here, I want the answer from you. Tell me what should I write here so that I can display. I can display this name and age of those person whose age is greater than 18. So tell me the answer. Okay, anybody else? Anybody else? Saiba Khushbu is there, Pushpalata is there, Rituraj is there. You also write your answer. Let's see. Obviously, I will again discuss. If any doubt will be there, again I will discuss. Okay, let me wait for a second. So let me do another part, another topic. After that, I will come to this part again. So this is on hold, and Puneet has given his answer. So I will come to this part later. So just we have to remember, we have used the particular age series within this. Okay, so now next what we will do, another part we will do. So that is sorting. I need the answer from you. So quickly answer the question. How we can filter this age, those ages greater than 18. So next part we'll do, that is sorting series value. Sorting series values. Sorting series values. So how we can do this? Simply nothing but we have to sort. If we were to sort the values, so we can sort like this way. For example, this age, we can see it has different type of edges. So how we can sort? We'll sort in this way: age dot sort underscore values, age dot sort underscore values. Within that, if we want to use the ascending order, so we'll write ascending equals to 2. That means we want in ascending order. So what will display? Ages will be displayed as per ascending order. So by default, I guess it is in ascending order. Okay, fine. So, but if we want to display in descending order, so in that case, what will write? We'll write ascending equals to false. Ascending is to false. Remember, true or if capital T or F will be used. A particular series name dot sort values within bracket. Ascending equals to true or false. If we write ascending equals to false, then it will display the value in descending order. This we can see. So this is the sorting of values. So now I need the answer from you. So anybody else can't answer the question. Even also one more thing we can do here, just like we can see whenever we are sorting the data, with the data automatically index are also get changed or index are also changing, because whenever we are creating the series, for each index a particular value is assigned. So if we change the data sort, or if we shuffle the data, automatically index will change. Now what if we do, we if we want to do the sorting as per index, that means sorting as per index. So how we can do that? So just the same way, we have to write the series object age dot, in this case we'll write sort index, sort underscore index, very important part, sort underscore index, not sort index, exactly same word. And within the bracket, again the same way, we'll write ascending. If we want to do in ascending order, just we'll write ascending equals to true, and if we want to do in descending order, we'll write ascending equals to false. Write ascending equals to true, and if you do not give anything, by default it is in ascending order. So here we can see how it has been changed as per index. Anuj, Arun, Manoj, Rahul, Sandeep, so on. This way it has came. Okay. In this, if nan is given, okay, fine, I'm coming to that part also. So wait a minute. Good question, very good question, good point is there. Okay, so let me finish, after that I'm just coming to your part also. So if we want to do in descending order, so there I will write false. Here it will come in descending order. Okay, so I guess nobody can answer the earlier question, how we can just like display only those students who are greater than, whose age is greater than 18. So this I have to say Puneet is has said correct answer. Age is greater than 18. This means it will display only those ages which are greater than 18. Okay. So now, next question that Puneet has asked, very interesting question. Suppose whenever we are doing this sorting or any type of work we are doing, this means filtering data. So if any nan is given, so let me create one series for that purpose. So just I'm taking one series s equals to pd dot series. I'm taking pd dot series, within bracket I'm taking few value, for example 1 2 3, then comma. Okay, one more thing we have to use here, numpy, because otherwise we can use np.nan. So here I'm just importing numpy, import numpy as np, and I'm using s equals to pd dot series in bracket. So in bracket I'm setting to value 1 comma 2 comma np dot nan, np.nan, comma 5 comma 4 comma 10, for example. These are my values. So if we display the series, it will look like this. Now first of all, if we want to display the value, or let me filter it as per any condition. So here I am using one condition. S h of s less than 4. So let's see what will come. The nan value will be ignored because nan means not a number, means it cannot be operated. Any value it will not operate it. Okay. So here is another point. If you use s equal to np dot nan, here what will you use? Again it will show empty value because nan is not taking as a value. It is not a number, nothing. It cannot be compared, it cannot be added, it cannot be subtracted, it cannot be multiplied, it cannot be divided, it cannot be distributed, it cannot be whenever we do not have the particular value. So this is the actual things how we can do this sorting things. I guess I've given answer to your question. Up to this, if any doubt is there, so let me know. If any doubt is there, let me know. Okay. So up to this part we have done most of the series concept we have done. Now finally, just one recalling of the things, that one important topic. What are the difference between numpy arrays and series object? First of all, as we have seen, in case of numpy array, first of all, similarity. What are the similarity? Similarity means both numpy array and series both supports the vectorized operation. Vectorized operation means whatever or whatever arithmetic operation anything will do, that will be applied on the each element of that particular series or that array. So, but in case of numpy array, the main difference is there. In case of numpy array, the index is always start from 0 onwards. That means numeric value, either 0 onwards or simply negative index also. But series, we can change our index, we can update our index. So this is the second thing. And in case of just like series, whenever any operation is not possible, in that case any value cannot be performed, then in this case nan is generally returned. Nan value is returned. But in case of array, it will display the empty array. That means whenever operation will not be possible. Yeah, whatever number of nan you will use, it will come at the last, because nan is nothing, not a number, means it will cannot be operated. So that's why it will come at the last. So up to this part, we have done the series. Then we'll go for the another topic of pandas. First of all, we'll discuss about the data pandas data frame. This that will be our next topic, second topic of this chapter. So I guess doubt is there. Then I'm just ending the session here. Thank you, students.